welcome to room 6609. From the entrance, you have a bathroom area here on the left. Standard bathroom. You have some VO5, nice splash back there. And then a little closet here off to the right with a safe inside, ironing board. And then you have 2 queen beds, some drawers, looks like 4 drawers here. Looks like it's an adjoining room as well if you had somebody staying with you. Fridge, let's see, you know, standard sized mini fridge, small coffee maker, ice bucket, little table, and let's see what the view looks like. I think we just have a standard view, so I don't expect anything huge, but parking lot view. Do see the entrance to Cabana Bay right over there. No balcony. No balconies here. Okay. So basic size room. It is definitely smaller than the other rooms we stayed at before over at Surfside, but it will serve its purpose.